Good morning, students. Hope you will find at your respective places. Yes, last time we were discussing this presentation and we have discussed rather some types of the presentation. Recapitulate this, what do we mean by this presentation? The term presentation simply means the arrangement of the placenta to which are attached the ovules. On the basis of this, where this placenta is attached within the ovary, we have got different types of the placentation. For example, we have discussed the marginal placentation, which we have seen in the P. We have studied the parietal placentation, of which we have given the two main examples, cucumber as well as this mustard. And third, we have discussed it already, that is the exile, where we have discussed. I have given you some examples like that of lemon, like that of this orange, like that of this onion. Today we are going to discuss one more type, that is the free central placentation. In order to discuss how this looks like, what we will do, we will first draw the longitudinal section of this placentation, then it becomes somewhat clear. If this is the thalamus, very good, and then this is this ovary, and what we will see again, जो placenta, it is centrally located and it acts as a column. It acts as a it looks like as a pillar in the central of this ovary, and to which what we will see are attached this ovules, to which are attached this, what we will see, this is the placenta and these are the ovules. And we know that these ovules, they develop into the seeds. So what is this? If we label this diagram, this is the longitudinal section LS, this is the thalamus. If we this is the ovary. Now what is this pillar like, or this column like? This is the placenta, and these red shaped structures, these are called as the ovules. So what we will find in this free central placentation, that in the center there is the placenta, and this placenta is what we will see. It looks like a column, it looks like a pillar to which are attached, or from it we will see that ovules they develop. Now if we try to draw the transverse section of this placenta, what we will find? We will find this, the transverse section, and this is the placenta. And to this placenta, हाँ मैंने डायग्राम कैसे काटी, मैंने कटिंग जो की, जो स्लाइस मैंने काटा, that is like this, and to which are attached this ovules, like this, like this, like this. Since what we will see, that this ovary, it is unilocular. In this case what we will see, ovary jo hai, it is unilocular, that is only a single chamber is found there. What we will see in this section, again what we will see, that the if we cut this section, the this placenta is in the center, and on it are arranged these dot like structure. These are the ovules, and these ovules they then develops into the seeds. And in this case जो ovary है it is unilocular. अगर हम इसकी एग्जांपल देंगे primrose, this is the example of this primrose. This is the example of this free center placentation. Now, one more type is there, which we are going to discuss again. That is basal placentation. Sorry, fifth one. Basal placentation. That means जो placenta है, it develops from the base of the ovary, or we can say from the thalamus. If we draw the diagram again, transverse section, then it becomes somewhat clear. If this is the thalamus, this is the thalamus. Very good. Then this is the ovary, and what we will see here, at the base of this ovary or on this, what we will see, this greenish structure, this is the placenta, and from this placenta what we will see, this single ovule is found. So what is this? This greenish color, it is the placenta. This, it is the thalamus. Now what we will see, this central structure, it is the ovule, and it is this ovule which develops into the seeds, and this is the ovary. Now if we try to draw the, sorry, this is the longitudinal section. If we try to draw the transverse section of this placenta, what we will see, transverse section, this, and I have cut this type structure, only this, and what we will see, this is the ovule. Here what we will see, this is the ovule. Again, this is the ovary. Since placenta is not found there, it is at the base. For this placenta, where it is found, we need this longitudinal section of the ovary. In this transverse section, we can only find this ovule and this ovary. Again here, what we will see, जो ovary यहाँ पर है, ovary जो है, it is unilocular. That means only the single chamber is found there. And अगर हम इसकी example देंगे, where it is found in the wheat, it is found in the maize, where this type of this basal placentation is found. Now we have got one more type. Very much important. अगर हम बात करेंगे, we have got one more type, that is the superficial placentation. Superficial placentation. What happens in this superficial placentation? What is this? अगर हम देखेंगे, it is the polylocular. It is the, what we will see, यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे many locules are found. That is polylocular is found. This, it is one locule, one chamber. This is second, third, fourth, fifth. This is, sorry, sixth and seventh. So this is polylocular, or we can say it is hexalocular. This. Now each chamber अगर हम देखेंगे, like this, it is the placenta. This, Again, in this locule, in this chamber, placenta, it is found everywhere, on the outer side as well as on its margins. क्योंकि एज द नेम इंडिकेट्स, अगर हम सुपरफिशियल की बात करेंगे, इट मींस जो प्लेसेंटा है, इट इज फाउंड एवरीवेयर. अगेन, this is the placenta. Now what we will see from the placenta, what we will see, ओव्यूल्स जो होते हैं वो डेवलप हो जाते हैं. There ovules, these green dot जो मैंने बताए, these are the ovules, and it is these ovules which give rise to the, from which we will see जो seeds होते हैं वो develop हो जाते हैं. So we will find here the seeds, a placenta that is found here and there. Again, these green dot like structure, these are the ovules. So here we will see ovule जो है, they are found everywhere. We will see on the entire surface of this ovary. And this ovary की अगर हम बात करेंगे, it is polylocular. Here मैंने क्या बनाए, I have made the 7 locules, that it is the hexalocular in shape. So what is this? अगर हम इसको लेबल करने की कोशिश कर लेंगे, what is this? This, it is the ovary. What is this? This is the placenta. That means the placenta is found on the entire surface of the ovary. These green dot like structure, these are the ovules, and it is this ovules which develops into the seed. अगर हम इसकी एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे, that is the water lily. So यहाँ पर हम क्या देखते हैं कि placenta, they occupy almost all the entire surface of this ovary. So this is called as the superficial placentation. And here we will see जो ovules, they are found here and there, almost they covers the entire surface of this ovary. So these are the different types of the placentations which we have discussed. We have mainly discussed 6 types of these placentation. Number first, marginal. Second one, what we call as this, we have parietal. Third, axial. फिर हमने पढ़ा what we call as the freely, जो हमें free centrally located placentation. फिर हमने basal जो पढ़ा, and last one we have discussed this superficial placentation. That is all about this placentation. In the next video, in the next lecture, we are going to, we will try to discuss about the fruit, how it looks like, what is the fruit, what are the various types of the fruits. उसको हम discuss करने की कोशिश कर लेंगे. Until then, goodbye. God bless you. Thanks.